Frequency, positive energy, save your life. This is the third and last time we're doing this, okay? I promise you. I promise you. This is the third and last time we're doing this.
I have one thing to say.
No
You
belief,
better overwork.
no belief, no belief, no belief, no belief.
Yes, they start asking me to marry them all the time. I don't know why they do it.
Hey baddies, it's Destiny B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. A little bit about me. I'm a licensed cosmetologist straight out of New York City, here to provide you some education, some fun, some fashion, some hair, some beauty, and all that jazz. Alright, so in today's video, I'm just going to teach you all the difference between sealing oils and moisturizing oils. Because a lot of people say that they're having a hard time with oils. They don't like oils in their hair. You know, oils don't do anything for them. But it's really how you use them. And knowing all the difference will make all the difference, honestly. Drake said it best. You know. So with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Moisturizing oils are oils that are able to penetrate the hair shaft. Our hair just sucks it right up. It's easily absorbable. Moisturizing oils are perfect for moisture retention and hair restoration. You may be asking what makes moisturizing oils able to penetrate the hair shaft, and it's the fact that they are made up of many fatty acids, and the molecular shape and size of those acids are very fine, so they're able to be absorbed easily through the hair shaft. Sealing oils, on the other hand, are just oils that coat the hair shaft. They literally just sit on top of the hair. Sealing oils are perfect for preventing moisture loss and hydro fatigue. If you don't know what hydro fatigue is just literally your hair absorbing too much moisture, and that makes the shafts of your hair tired. Like literally just makes your hair tired, so it becomes very limp. You know, that's, just think of it as, I don't know, like a super soggy wet bag or something, like wet socks. Like you jump in a pool and your clothes, it just starts dripping out and it's just limp, right? Like as soon as your clothes get wet, it gets limp. I find that it's best to use moisturizing oils as soon as you shampoo your hair. Like basically, when you're putting moisture back into your hair is when you should be using moisturizing oils, if you get my drift. So an example of this would be when you're shampooing your hair. You shampoo, you condition, and then you put in your deep conditioner because you're adding moisture to your hair, correct? In your deep conditioner, you can add a moisturizing oil because that oil will be penetrating the shafts of your hair. Sealing oils are best to use after you've moisturized your hair, not during. So for example, you would use sealing oil after you've put in your leave-in conditioner. When you're done, when it's done and you're locking it in, so you don't want it to escape and you don't want any more moisture to get in. Like you're done with your routine, this is sealing it, we're closed. Okay, Des, so what are So oils fall into three categories, right? well, when it comes to your hair and dealing with sealing oils and moisturizing oils, because you have your sealing oils, you have your moisturizing oils, and I like to call them your duos. So your duo oils, because the oils that I consider duo oils can be considered as both a moisturizing oil and a sealing oil, depending on how you use it. So I didn't want to like memorize, let's say, 3 oils. I wrote a whole list of oils for you guys. Okay, and I wrote them down, so I'm going to be looking at my notes for this. Judge me not. Moisturizing oils to be considered are olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, apricot oil, argan oil, bawasu oil, hemp seed oil, canola oil, and ukuba oil. Correct me if I said that incorrectly. Sealing oils to be considered are jojoba oil, rice bran oil, broccoli seed oil, grapeseed oil, almond oil, castor oil, mustard oil, and sesame oil. Of course, there are a ton more. However, let me give you the ones that are considered duo oils. So olive oil is a duo, avocado oil, apricot oil, argan oil, and I believe, yeah, that's it. So a fun fact that I want to add to this is that jojoba oil is like a holy grail, because it is the oil that is most like our natural oil. So our natural oil is called sebum, and it coats our face, my T-zone, and it coats our hair. So I hope you guys found this video to be very informative, and you know, listen to my mom.
Yeah. Beauty by DCB is gonna take us there for 2020. So vote for DCB. The baddies, get on the train.
Love it.
Go DCB. Beauty by DCB. Guys, take it seriously. Here, you don't want to be hairless when you reach a certain age. Alright? So listen to the centennial. Love you guys. Keep watching. See you soon.
But I'm closing out. I'll be giving you guys more videos. Stay tuned. I'm already on 2020 timing, 2020 energy. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content faster. Let me see. I want to drop my story time about the time I fought over a boogie, but I bumped into Lil Yachty. So once I get to 100 subscribers, I'll drop that video down. So do what you gotta do. Bye. Video.
I think I did that so well.